Hello my beautiful people, welcome back. Today I'm going to try out another TikTok makeup trend and it's called crying makeup. Honestly, why do I want to make it even more obvious that I already cried my entire life? I don't know what's wrong with Gen Z, I don't like these trends, but we're going to try it out in today's video. Honestly, I already naturally look that I cried my entire life. Like, isn't that already obvious? Do I need to put more makeup to make it look more obvious? Anyway, if you guys are here for that, then let's just do this, I guess. FYI, my hair is not greasy. I applied a bunch of this Moroccan scalp oil and I'm let it, like, right now it's cooking. Okay, so I thought let's just try this crying makeup because obviously the hair helps too. Like, look at this. I mean, yeah, I know it looks greasy, but as I said, I put a lot of oil. Okay, so I think this hair helps too with the trending makeup. Like, I'm going to make myself like I cried my whole entire life. And where is the lie? Why would you make yourself look like you cried? Are you looking for empathy? Are you looking for someone to feel for you? Like, oh my god, look at this poor child. Probably he's so depressed. He cried his entire life. He's like, what? 18 years old? You poor thing. I'm a millennial. I try to hide that. I try to hide that I'm depressed. I try to hide everything. Because, you know, society taught us to do so. Anyway, I have some creamy and liquid blushes because that's what they use. And then I have some highlighter and bright eyeshadows. And a little bit of mascara. And that's it. Okay, so she applies blush on the nose. Like so. I think this smells so good. I think this is not as pigmented as hers, but let's try. Now I'm going to blend it out with this. As I said, I don't think mine is as pigmented as hers. I don't have my nails. I removed them today. I really feel like I'm gonna cry. I think I got some foundation in my eyes, so I feel like this makeup is not necessary. My eyes are sensitive, by the way. Okay, what does she do next? Okay, she applies some of this blush right here. I don't know why though. And then she's using a radish kind of eyeshadow. I think I'm going to use this one. I have a very red one, but hers looks more like a coral red. So I'm going to use this shade from Huda Beauty. Doesn't have a name. And I'm going to use the same brush. No. Oh yeah. I think she goes over the blush. Right? Oh my goodness, I went crazy. That's too much. Okay, so she applies eyeshadow under the eyes as well. She goes with the same blush on the cheeks. Nice. Why did I use a brush to blend this on my nose? I don't know. So next she's using a highlighter. I'm going to use, I feel like my nose is not red enough, so I'm going to go with a little bit of this powder. Okay. As I said, I feel like my blush, should I use a little bit of this Rare Beauty one? See, let's do that. Okay, so I'm using the Rare Beauty one. This is in the shade Nearly Apricot, so it's not as pink. Okay, let's connect everything here. Why not? Alrighty, that looks a little bit more blushy is. It looks like I freaking cried myself to sleep last night, even though that's not fake news. Have you tried to cry yourself to sleep? I promise you, you're gonna sleep like a baby the entire night. So yeah, that's not fake news, as I said. Okay, let's see what she does next. Oh yeah, she goes with highlighter. So I'm going to use this one from So Body. Okay, So Body in the shade Rosé. And she applies a little bit right in the center of the lid, in her inner corners. Okay, and that's it, yeah. So let me just use my finger, because why not? This is such a beautiful creamy highlighter. I just touch this, like I barely touch it. It looks like this. You see that? Like you see that? Right? That's what she does. Yeah, here. Next I'm going to go with mascara. And I'm going to curl a little, and I'm going to curl a little bit my lashes. I think I'm going to go with this Milk Makeup Kush mascara. I'm not a fan, but for this tutorial, I'm like, whatever. Wow, look at my lashes. It looks like I have lashes now. My boyfriend wants pancakes or crepes. But I'm filming. What? Donuts? Boy, are you pregnant or what? Okay, mascara. Wow. Can you guys see my lashes? Like, what is going on? I haven't seen my lashes this long in a long time. Oh, shoot. Okay, I'm going to let that mascara dry. And then I'm going to clean it because I got that on my eyelids. Let's see what she does next. Okay, so she applies a little bit of that eyeshadow, just top and bottom. And then she goes with a lip gloss. But I don't know, let me just go with the blush first as a base. Let's try it with the, oh yeah. Okay, this one works a little bit better. But I also have the Sheglam Liquid Blush. Okay. It doesn't look like she overlined her lips. Okay, let me just go with a little bit of this eyeshadow on top. That's crazy. Okay, so she's using a clear lip gloss for the under eyes. Honestly, this is the only one I have right now. And also I have this Tint 100% Superfood Radish Pigment lip gloss. I'm going to apply this on my lips because it has that red color. But I'm going to go with my Sheglam Lip Oil for my under eyes, and I'm going to apply it with a brush. Okay, so she goes here, right? Yeah. And she also applies it on the stash, so it looks like I have a lot of mocos running. Wow, nice trend. So as I said, she applies some right here. I'm sorry, I'm trying to be serious, okay, about this makeup, but I can't. It looks like I have a lot of mocos running on my face. I mean on my top lip. Let's see next. Wow. Okay, so she goes with a different clear gloss for her lips. As I said, I'm going to go with this one and see how it works. Hello? Oh, wow. She's thick. Is this still good? Okay, now it looks like my boogers end up on my lips. We love a salty snack. I think I got something in my eye and I'm going to cry for real. Like with real tears and stuff. Alrighty, beautiful people, so this is the final look. Honestly, it's giving emo. Fight me if I'm wrong. More like a cute emo style. Look at her. She cried the entire day because her sugar daddy didn't want to buy her a candy. That's why she cried all day long. Honestly, I'm not a fan of this trend, but we tried it out, because why not? It looks fun, but honestly, where do I go wearing this makeup? And why, first of all, like in the first place, why do I want to look like I cried the entire day? Like, that's not my vibe also. So it looks like my nose is running, and what's pretty about that? Like, what's cute about that? Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care. Please don't cry. You're beautiful as you are. You don't need to cry to look cute, because that's what they claim. You know, when you look cute after you cry. No, I don't. I look like fucking Shrek. Do I want to look like Shrek? Absolutely not. It looks like my nose was running and I couldn't find a paper towel to blow my nose. Anyway, bye guys. See you in my next one. I'm not excited. Okay, let me just try to look sad here for a second.